Let us look at how you can download Tron wallet. So go to tronwallet.me. That's the official website for Tron wallet. And then depending on your operating system, if you have a mobile phone, if you have iPhone, you click there. If you have Android, you click there. If you have any other operating system like Windows or any other operating system, you can just get the APK and then you install it. It's that simple. It's like ABCD. Now, once you install it, you just have to create your account or your wallet address. When you create your account, you get a wallet address, and then that wallet address looks something like this. When after installing, your wallet will look something like this. Now, if you want to register with Bank of Tron, it's very simple. You have to deposit Tron in this wallet. This is your receive address right here. You copy the address and send it to whoever is sending you the Tron, maybe from the exchanger. And then if you have the link, the registration link, copy it from whoever sent you the link, maybe through Telegram or WhatsApp or YouTube. I don't know how you got the link, but head right here. You see this circle here, which is like a ball on the left. Now you paste that link right here. Okay. After pasting it there, you click enter. Now, after clicking enter, it should reflect your address right here, because it shows you the total amount invested in the bank. Then it shows you your wallet address. Then it shows you the amount which is seated in your wallet. So if you want to invest, it's very, very simple. If you want to invest, I like this diamond plan. There are so many plans, but I like this. So you just come here and you type in the amount that you want to invest. Let me invest 990, and you just click invest. Then you approve, confirm. So you can say it is saying in the processing. So once it is done, it is processed, it will show you right down here how much money, how the amount you've invested and at what time and which date. Then it will even start paying you right away. Okay, it will start paying you right away. As you can see, it has started paying me right here. Now every second this contract pays you money. Now you can see I have been depositing small deposits, but they keep building up. So now if you want to withdraw, I'll show you how to withdraw, but let's look at this also. Now once you deposit, you get your own referral link. You can copy it and share it with your friends. It has a simple reward system. You get 5% direct referral, 2% indirect referral, 0.5 on the third generation indirect referral, and you get 0.5 of your own investment. So let's look at the withdraw process. The withdraw process, I just click here, right here, and then it will ask me to confirm. If you check right now, you will see that my amount has changed. Okay, my amount has changed. The other amount went out, and now the withdrawal I made, that's my current balance.